Today in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Xbox Series no HDMI signal and black screen. Check the TV is set to the correct input. Check the HDMI cables are connected to your console and to your TV properly. Plug the HDMI cable into a different HDMI port on your TV or press and hold console power button for 10 seconds, then turn it on again. Another method is press the eject button from the console, then press the power button of console for 10 seconds. After console turning off, then press and hold the eject and power button. Hold for 10 seconds, then leave the buttons. From the home, go to settings. Then go to TV and disk options from the general. From the resolution, set it as max. By following the steps, you can fix Xbox Series no HDMI signal and black screen.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.